Today we're gonna fold the bird from heavy rain. It's a very easy model. I think anyone can make it. First, you're gonna fold the diagonal fold from this point to this point here. Fold sharply. Open up. Now do the same on this side here. Diagonal fold. You can use any paper for this model, it's super easy. Open up. Now what you're gonna do is take this point and fold to the center and do it with all of the other points. So just take this point, fold it to the center. Like this. And fold the other corner too. Okay. Do the same on this side. And fold here. Okay, like this. Now fold this flap behind, like this. And now you're gonna repeat the same step with these points here. Just take this point and fold it to the center. Okay. The model should look like this. Okay. So turn the model over. You'll have this flap here. What you're gonna do is take this point and fold in half. Okay. Now you have an excess paper here. You're gonna take it and you're gonna pull here. Okay. Lift it up. We should have something like this. Do the same on this side too. You take the middle flap. As you can see, there's excess paper here, and okay, just pull. Like this. Now open here and pull these flaps downwards. Okay. And the model should look like this. Now what you're gonna do is open here, okay, and fold in half. So the model was like this. Just open here the paper and fold in half. Now there's an excess paper here. Just have to pull it like we did with the other flaps. If you can't pull it, just do it like this. Okay. Just open a bit. Okay. So basically you just pull the paper and you should have something like this. And basically the model is done. Okay. This was a very easy model. Hope you managed to make it. Like and subscribe. See you next time.